times. Highs 20 to 25. Temperature falling through the afternoon. Very windy. Northwest winds around 35 miles per hour with gusts to around 55 miles per hour. Night, patchy, 15 snow in the evening. Partly cloudy. Lows 10 to 15 below. Northwest winds around 15 miles per hour with gusts to around 35 miles per hour, becoming northeast around 5 miles per hour after midnight. Friday, mostly cloudy with a chance of light snow. A chance of light freezing rain in the afternoon. Gusting to 49, producing a wind chill of